In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Workspace URL in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where your Slack Workspace link lives and how to copy it so you can share it with the right people. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. In the search results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you're already using the Slack desktop app, that's fine too. The process is the same once you're inside Slack. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to your account so you can access your workspace. Once Slack is open, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see your workspace name and icon there. This is the control hub for workspace settings and details. Click your workspace title. A menu will open, showing options related to your current workspace. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're on the one you want, then click the workspace name again in that menu. This takes you to a panel or window with more detailed information about the workspace. Here, you'll see the workspace URL displayed. It typically looks like your workspacename.slack.com. This is the direct link to your workspace, and it's what you'll share with teammates or collaborators so they can land on the correct sign-in page. To copy it, highlight the URL and use your usual copy command, or click any on-screen copy button if you see one. You can now paste that link into an email, a message, or your onboarding documentation. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see your workspace title, try expanding or maximizing the Slack window. On smaller screens, the interface can compress and hide labels. If you're in multiple workspaces, double-check the icon and name so you copy the correct URL. Remember, sharing the URL doesn't automatically grant access. People will still need to be invited or have the right permissions to join. And if the URL isn't what you expect, keep in mind that only workspace admins and owners can change it in workspace settings, so you may need to contact them for updates. That's it. Open Slack, click your workspace title at the top left, click your workspace again in the menu, and copy the URL you see. Save it somewhere handy so you can quickly share it whenever someone needs to find or join your Slack workspace.